Hello friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Today we are going to be talking about how to determine the sex of a baby. That is, if you want a male child or a female child, how to go about it. So I'd like you to understand that a man, the sperm cells of a man contains the X and the Y chromosome, while the female, the woman, contains XX chromosomes. So when fertilization takes place, it's either the X cell, it's the X sperm, fertilizes one of the X cells, which is already SS, to form, if it's X from if it's the X sperm cell that fertilizes the female X cell, it becomes XS, that is a female child. Whereas if it's the Y sperm chromosome that fertilizes the X cell, it becomes what? XY, which means that the person is going to have what? A male child. So another thing I'd like you to understand is that the female, the X cell, X sperm chromosome, are much more bigger and stays longer, whereas that of the Y sperm chromosome are smaller, and they run very fast, and so they tend to do what? Die easily, to die faster than the X sperm chromosome. So because of this effect, when you want to have a male child, if you intend to have a male child or want to have somebody, you time the time of intercourse. You time the time of intercourse within the time of ovulation. We have explained ovulation in the last video. Please, if you not watched that, you have to do that so that you'll be able to flow with us. Like we said last time, that ovulation is the release of an egg. So if when there is an intercourse within that period, within that time of ovulation, that is that day or a day before, then it will enable that means that the Y chromosome, the Y sperm chromosome, is still alive and can still fertilize. And remember, we said it runs faster than this X chromosome, so it will tend to fertilize the X cell faster than that of the X, to now produce the XY, which is for boys. Hope you get that. Then if you are looking for a female child, the intercourse should be done days before the day of ovulation, when the egg is released. Why? Because we said the white cells, they die easily, remember, they die faster, remember. So if the intercourse is done days, just like about 4 or 5 days before the ovulation, before the day of ovulation, the white cells must have died, remaining what? The X cell, which will now fertilize the egg cell to do or to form XX, to produce the female child. So let me give you examples so that you really understand what we are talking about, the big grammars. If your ovulation is to be on the 20th of February, and you are looking for a female child, just like we said, 4 or 3 days before the day of ovulation, that means you have to the intercourse should be done either on the 16th or 17th. Hope you are getting me, because the ovulation is going to be on the 20th. If you have known how to calculate, just like we said, we discussed in the last video. So but if you are looking for a male child, we said within the time of ovulation, because the wild cells dies faster, so you do it. The intercourse should be done either that 20th or 19th, but it should not exceed then, so that before the white cells will be alive and strong and be able to run faster, as they run faster than the X cell. So with this, I believe you now understand and can be able to advise someone or yourself practice it, even as you are praying and hoping to have the child, the sex of the baby of your choice. Another factor that is consider that is advisable from medicine, from science, is deep penetration. Why? Because this the vaginal opening is more like acidic, and so the sperm, this white sperm cell not so strong, and they can easily die off. So when there is deep penetration, it makes it goes closer to the egg cell that will be fertilized in the oviduct, makes it closer and not die before they reach there. So I'm very happy you have watched this video, and I know and I believe that with this explanation you'll be able to, you by the grace of God, your choice of a baby will be granted unto you. So please do not fail to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also click the notification bell. Just like as we are bringing more video, enlightening videos to you, you also be the first to see it. Thank you. I appreciate. Bye.